Okay, let's unbox this art now. So I've already opened the top. So you're seeing this for the first time. I'm seeing it. So there's a little biography of the artist. Oh, it's like a card or something. It's like a little greeting card. Very interesting. And there's also more information here about this program, about the art vending machine, where many artists contribute their work from all over Germany. Now, I do this fairly often, so I'm going to show you some of the art we've bought. Starting at the top, there's one of these, what we used to in school call a cootie catcher. And they're all the same size. They're meant to fit in the box. And there's some that we thought were especially good. I've saved them till last. This is embossed on heavy stock. This is it's a tiny piece of art, but look at the detail of the artist who made it. These are kind of interesting, a landscape and then just a modern piece textured again on heavy stock. So there you go.